Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your VW Jetta key fob battery. First, you will need to identify your specific key fob style, as this helps confirm the correct battery. Most modern Jetta key fobs use a CR2032 battery. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver. To protect your key fob from scratches, consider wrapping the screwdriver tip with a small piece of tape before you begin. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by pressing the small button on the side to release and slide out the emergency key. Next, carefully examine the key fob for a subtle seam running along its edge. Insert the taped tip of your flathead screwdriver into this seam. Apply gentle pressure and twist slightly to carefully separate the two halves of the key fob casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Gently pry it out using your screwdriver. It is important to note the orientation of the old battery. Typically, the positive side, which has the writing, faces upwards. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Once reassembled, reinsert your emergency key. Then, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure it is working correctly and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.